Now, students are indeed very, very savvy, but they may not be wise. And as with all powerful human inventions, fire, electricity, social media, it has this affordance to enable and disenable. When I talk about GenAI, how it can enable, I'd like to highlight how it can disenable. One of the key drawbacks to learning is this effect called the Dunning-Kruger effect. It basically makes you think that you're smarter than you are. Our NRE colleagues wrote a wonderful article, an op-ed in Straits Times, about this. One, AI literacy. We must educate our students is that current Gen AI models is inherently biased. They are trained using our data. As humans, we are biased. But Gen AI can amplify and magnify that biasness. And because the language processing model behind it is so eloquent, is so convincing, the students will look at it and say those are facts. They don't think critically about it. They don't verify it. The language processing model, the way they spar with you, why you take it as facts. So I really want to impress upon all of us that we also have the responsibility to teach this AI literacy and the privacy and the data protection. Really let the tools serve us, not the other way around. The last point is the legal status of AI-generated content is still very gray. Tell your students that it's a calculated risk they are taking, okay, and they have to manage that risk.